Alright, here at Deep Bottoms boat ramp today. I'm gonna try this out on the river. First time here. Hopefully catch some big ones. Say there's a creek from what I was looking on Google Map to the left. I guess I'll go up in that creek and see what I can catch. The tide is a little high, so not sure how that's gonna go. I usually seem to do better bites in the river on low tide, but wanted to come check this place out, not too far from the house, and see how it goes. Got some kitty cats running all around down here. One, two, three. Get away from my boat, cat. Yeah, I'm trying to get in there. You're not going fishing with me. Pretty cat. Well, finally got one for today. A little one. Better than nothing. Must be chasing bait fish, huh?
He just jumped up.
You buy your little ladder?
Yeah.
Oh, got a bite. Oh, that's a good one there, isn't it? Boy, he's nice size.
Good job, honey.
Good job with the net, babe.
All right, you should have picked that one. You're done.
Huh?
Scaredy cat.
Look at that.
Beautiful fish.
He's a nice size, isn't he?
Yeah, you gonna weigh him?
I don't think I need to weigh him. He's probably 2
3
pounds. 3 pounds.
Are his fins? Get on the back, or were they? Yeah, they're good.
Yeah. He's long, isn't he? I bet. Nah. Man, he's a fighting little bugger, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's still fighting. I threw it right up in that tree, babe. Try to throw up in that tree. If you get in there. There you go. I don't even think my lizard got to the bottom. Boat flip. Alright, shh. Nice. Man, he was barely hooked. Nice bass. Oh, that's a big one there. All right, Mr. Bass. Man. Another nice one. Go on. Oh man, there's all kind of limbs on this bad boy in there. Bad fish. Daggone pickle. Big one. Look at those two. Oh. Nice one.